Hi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to Ireland. Back in Ireland, and I got some new noodles to taste, to try. And of course it's Mama. It's made by Presidential of Thailand. I think the Thai President Foods Public Company Limited. So I'm going to try mee goreng because I haven't tried it maybe for 26 years. Hard to say. And this is interesting. It's very cheap. It's large. It's for Mama noodles. It's surprising. And you got 4 packs of flavors, 1 garnish, and as you can see, some kind of chili powder, dried vegetables, and no one knows what's inside. This is serving suggestion: mee goreng flavor, Oriental style noodles. The problem is you have to add garnish and boil it for around 3 minutes, and then you have to drain this stuff from water, mix with this stuff, and then you can eat. So it's not so convenient. It's not the type of a noodles you can take to work or for a picnic or camping. It's more like make it in house, add the egg and the other stuff, and enjoy a dinner with your girlfriend, probably. So it's already boiling. I still have like around 1 minute, then I have to dry it, and I will review this stuff. Okay, so this is mee goreng review made by Mama. And I expected it will be more. It's 80 grams plus 10 grams of flavoring. So usually when you eat it as a soup, it looks like it's more of it. However, I'm sure now that it won't kill my hunger. But it has decent taste, I can say you. Oh yeah. The pasta noodle is actually really good. It's even better than the pasta in Glasgow that I reviewed, the Chinese restaurant in Glasgow. This one is al dente like, full of taste. You can still feel the garnish, and all the ingredients are mixed with it. I guess it would be really nice to add some stuff to it. Serve it on different plate. It would be really good. On its own, well, it's really good, but it's not the full, the full experience. Anyway, I can fully recommend this stuff, especially for 60 cents. Thank you for watching.